Hello everyone. Let me discuss now life skills given to you, page number 32 and 33. The first one is a first aid which we give to a person who is seriously injured or ill before taking him to doctor, and we should know about it. Accidents can happen anywhere, anytime. The immediate treatment given to the victim of an accident or sudden illness before professional medical help is obtained is called first aid. To learn this better, learning first aid is the civic responsibility of every citizen. It is our responsibility that we should use first aid or learn about first aid. The first one, there are some questions in which we need to give first aid or use first aid here. Take the correct option in each case. What would you do if the person next to you suddenly makes a strange sound, then falls to the ground and begins to jerk his arms and legs violently? There are three options here. Put something between his teeth to stop him from biting his tongue. Remove the objects that may hurt him. Restrain his arms and limbs by holding them down on his back. Children, in such situations, you need to think very wisely. First thing, remove the objects that may hurt him, and definitely you should immediately call, call the ambulance to, so that he should be fine. Clear. You see a middle-aged man suddenly choking and pointing to his throat. He cannot speak and is becoming bluish in color. What would you do? Now here, reassure him and offer him a glass of water. He would not take it as his throat is choked. Begin mouth to mouth resuscitation. It's not possible at that time. So ask him to bend forward and give him a series of hard thumbs on his upper back. Third one is the right answer here. Again, after applying this, you should again call the ambulance very quickly. You have found a missing person who was lost overnight in the mountains in winter. He is inadequately dressed and very wet. What would you do now here? Light a fire and make him sit in front of it. Protect him from the wind. Remove his wet clothes, dry and wrap him in blankets. Place him on a stretcher and get him to the transport as soon as possible. But firstly, we will try to remove his wet clothes, dry and wrap him, and then we can fill the rest of the things. Your friend accidentally placed his hand on a hot stove top, burnt it. What's the best thing to do? Now here, beta, hold the hand under cold running water. Undoubtedly, whenever someone's hand or body is burned, we try to put cold running water for about 20 minutes. Immerse the hand in a bucket of ice water. Cover with antiseptic cream and a cloth band. It can be also used. After that, you should immediately again call the doctor. Now you see a car accident and the driver is still in his seat, crying in pain. He complains of tingling in his fingers and toes. What would you do now here? Now, but here, reassure him and ask him to keep still. Reassure him and ask him to take deep breaths. Get him to breathe and in and out of the paper better bag. Definitely, better you will reassure him and ask him to keep still, and definitely you will call the doctor immediately. A person has fallen from his bike, hit his head on the ground, and is lying unconscious. What would you do now here? Ring 102 and call for an ambulance. Very true here. Roll the person into the recovery position or check if necessary clear his airway and then place in the recovery position. But all are the first aids, a first thing we should do to help an injured person or an ill person. But after doing this, we should always call to the doctor. Clear. Now next page is given good posture and carriage, again a part of life skills on page number 33. In today's world, how we present ourselves is very important. Having a good posture and carriage is very important. The manner in which we hold and move our head and body is referred into as a carriage. Children, we should have a good posture, good gestures or movements. It is going to affect our body and system. We need to always remember that our appearance, our posture and carriage count a lot. People, they judge you from your body movements. First is here, take the correct statement and cross the out the others. The effects of poor posture can be far reaching, involving the respiratory, digestive, and circulatory system. Yes, the poor posture affects all these things. So, is it true? Family faulty posture increases stress on the joints. Right? Very good, beta here. Faulty posture always increase stress on the joints. True here. Different types of chairs actually encourage us to sit improperly, right? If we exercise a lot, we don't need posture exercise. No, whether you exercise or not, you have to need posture exercises. A person has no control over his posture. No, you have a control on your posture. Okay, one can improve his postures also. Posture is something that adult or teenager should worry about. Very true here. You have to worry about your posture. It affects your body, your system, body system actually, and your health also. Improving posture allows that body to function properly very well, because if you improve your posture, your body will function very well. Our weight has no effect on our posture. Wrong. Our weight has a very effect on our posture. It makes our posture and spoils our posture also. So a woman high heeled shoes or sandals can cause poor and unhealthy posture. True. A woman should not wear high heels and sandals for a long time, as it affects their unhealthy. Actually, it gives unhealthy posture. Poor posture is associated with increased health problems in older adults. Very true, beta here. If you have poor posture, it is going to affect you in long period of time. Now write GA for good appearance and BA for bad appearance. Now see, long and dirty fingernails, bad appearance. It is like a mark of bad appearance. Cleaned clothes again, and mark of good appearance, a sign of good appearance. Unironed clothes, bad appearance. Clothes with stains, again bad appearance. Expensive clothes, good appearance. Neatly combed hair, good appearance. Unpolished shoes, bad appearance. So you have to make your appearance very good and tidy.